Starting your own business can feel like a big mountain to climb, but the secret to success lies in one powerful tool, a well-crafted business plan. Hey there! Welcome back to Young Founders Club. Today, we're diving into how to write a business plan step by step so you can take your dream and turn it into reality. Stick around because I'll also share tools and resources to make your plan professional and impressive, even if you're just starting out. First things first, what is a business plan, and why do you need one? A business plan is like your business's blueprint. It helps you map out your goals, define your market, and convince investors or lenders to believe in your idea. Think of it as your business's elevator pitch, only more detailed. Now let's get into the meat of how to write one. Let's start with the executive summary. This is the first section of your plan but often written last. It's a short overview of your business, including your mission, product or service, and why your business will succeed. Keep it to one page and make it punchy. Imagine this as the section that hooks someone in. Tools like Grammarly can help you polish your writing and keep it professional. Next is the business description. This is where you go deeper into what your business does and the problem it solves. Include details like your business model, target audience, and unique selling point. Use the lean canvas template to get your ideas organized in a simple, visual format. Now let's talk about market analysis. This section shows you've done your homework. Research your competitors, understand your industry trends, and identify your ideal customer. Pro tip: use free tools like Google Trends to analyze search trends and SEMrush for competitor insights. Every good business plan needs an organizational structure section. Who's on your team? What roles do they play? If it's just you for now, that's okay. Highlight your skills and any future hiring plans. Use Canva to create a sleek organizational chart. In this section, explain your products or services. What are you offering, and how does it benefit your customers? If you have a unique feature or pricing strategy, highlight it here. Try Figma to design mock-ups or Product Hunt to explore tools for prototyping. Your marketing and sales plan is crucial. How will people learn about your business? Think about social media strategies, influencer partnerships, and paid ads. Don't forget to include your sales process. Tools like Hootsuite for social media management and MailChimp for email campaigns can streamline your efforts. Here's the part that might intimidate you, the financial plan. But don't worry, this is just a projection of your cost, revenue, and profit margins. Include a budget for the first year, and explain how you'll fund your business. Use QuickBooks for tracking expenses and creating financial reports. If you're seeking funding, this is where you make your funding request. Clearly state how much money you need, how you'll use it, and the return on investment for investors. And that's it, a complete guide to writing your business plan. Remember, your business plan isn't set in stone. It's a living document you'll revisit and update as your business grows. Whether you're pitching to investors or using it to stay focused, having a clear plan sets you up for success. Now it's your turn. Download a business plan template from affiliate link and start writing your plan today. Let me know in the comments which step you're most excited about. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell so you never miss out on more tips to grow your dream business.